On the west, we locking shit down. When I'm on the east, we bring out the town. I just cracked the seal, I love that little sound. They bring out the bill, I don't even read it. I got a few pills, I pass them around. I'ma go up if I'm feeling down. My brother G, he smoke out the pound. SUV.
We got a banger. We got a banger. We got a banger. But yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did an Omegle farting prank. I have this app on my phone, and I just farted, and we got crazy reactions. So you're gonna want to stay for the full thing. Obviously, I don't know why wouldn't you, like, seriously, who wouldn't? You know? I don't want to waste any more of your guys' time because I know time is very valuable. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Yo.
Damn, nigga, you hit yourself?
Yeah, you just farted, bro.
Fuck no.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, no, you had diarrhea, all types of shit.
Bro, you just farted, man.
Hell no, nigga. You need to go check your pants, man.
Yo,
You like Lana's alright?
huh?
Alright? You like Lana's alright? Hey, girl. Hey, your bitches are weird as fuck. Ew.
Yes. Oh my god. Yo.
Like, hey, yo, what's up, man? What's up, white girl?
Yo, you're nasty,
Hey.
bro.
Hey, yo, stop farting.
Yo, you're nasty, bro.
Have you seen yourself?
Bro,
Hey, yo, your mom last night. She
you're
was
nasty,
like, oh.
bro. Yo, what's up?
Hey, what's up? I was at the office in the background.
Oh, yeah. Did you just fart?
That was you.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. Hey, jeez, at the office. Oh, yeah.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? How you doing? I'm doing alright, how about you?
Pretty good.
What is that noise?
Did you just fucking fart?
Stop, you're trolling.
Oh! Bro, you just fucking
You're trolling.
one.
You're
ripped
trolling.
One, bro.
You're trolling. Don't even.
Yo, fam.
Bro,
Yo, this
trolling.
guy's
You're
farting,
trolling.
bro.
Stop, you're trolling.
Yo, you're farting
Bro,
so
don't
loud, bro. You need to chill. You're nasty. Yo,
Yo,
what are you doing?
cooked.
Really?
Yeah. You rip ass, nice.
Yo, what's up?
Hello? That was loud.
You just farted. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, but yo, what's up?
Hi.
Yeah.
That was you.
That was you, bro.
No, that was not me.
Yo, you just farted. You're weird.
You are weird.
Bro, you just farted.
What's up?
What's up?
Damn. You already know, man. Just cool, and you feel
bro.
me?
What you doing, bro?
What?
Bro?
You know who I am, bro?
Who the fuck is you?
You don't know who I am?
Yeah,
Well, you finna find out. Your barbecue, boy. Sunday school special shirt ass, boy. Your ass is like an exotic cricket. Your little ugly ass, boy. Tap dancing frog looking ass, boy. And you out here with them.
What the f***? Dude, that's not me shitting.
Yo,
Yo,
bro,
what's up?
Huh?
What's up? Yo,
I heard that fart. What?
Yo,
who
hello?
farted? That shit smells scrumptious.
yo, what's up? Who is that in the background?
It's Travis Scott. I read it. What was that?
You just fart?
No.
Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, fam, you just farted, man. What is wrong with you? Bro, another girl beside you's farting. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I can smell it all over here.
Yo, what's up?
Quick question. If you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
Bro, I don't want to look like a dumb. Wait. Say it again, just in case. I want to
If you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
I'm just gonna say 6 feet.
It is!
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Oh my.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Oh my
Pretend like I
god.
did that before.
You just fart?
No, see, don't play that trick on me. That was you.
No, bro, you just farted.
No, you just
Bro,
farted. I
you're
can smell it from the
nasty,
screen.
bro. You're nasty. Yo, what's up?
Hey, what color phone do you have?
Black?
Okay. Good job. Good
Yeah,
job.
I know. That is amazing.
What was that? I think you just shit.
You just fart?
Did you just shit yourself?
Yo, what's up?
Nothing.
What's amazing? I know, right? Did you just fart?
I can't.
I told you it was a fucking banger. Told you what I tell you. I told you it was a banger, and it was. But yeah, guys, that would be done with my video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. You know, much appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And peace out. Wow.